Prodigy Exclusive Solar Solutions. Powerful energy for modern living. Imagine your home powered with clean, reliable energy, no blackouts, no noise, no hassle. Introducing Prodigy Exclusives. 800-watt solar generator, recently installed at 4 Muyi Kuku Close, Idimu, Lagos. Why is our 800-watt solar generator the perfect choice? Powerful and reliable, ideal for running lights, fans, TVs, and essential devices. Keeping your home fully functional, even during outages. Eco-friendly and quiet, say goodbye to fuel costs and noise. And embrace a sustainable power source. Cost-effective, enjoy stable power while slashing your electricity bills. This is power made simple, just set it up and enjoy instant energy independence. Ready to experience the difference? Call or WhatsApp us at 0912-441-8659 and make the switch to solar today. Prodigy Exclusive Solar Solutions, power for a lifetime, clean for the future.